It is a very sad day in the history of Creative Writers WhatsApp group. Our dearest friend, Mr. G. Gopinath, PGT English, Government Higher Secondary School, Nemili, had passed away, leaving us all. Our heart felt deep condolences to his family. May his innocent soul rest in eternal peace. Today, we are dedicating all the poetry for this noble soul. No words. May I now welcome Miss Deepa to recite.
Hi dear friends, our today's topic is Dear Gopi Ji, we miss you dear. The first participant is Mrs. R. Gayatri. Dear brother, God is fond of sweethearts. So very earlier he has taken your heart. I can remember Buddha's quote in remembrance of yourself. Thousands of candles can be lighted with a single candle. You have lighted so many students' minds to glow lifelong. Though you are in the heaven, your thoughts breathe all around me. Your departure from the world recognized few prints in my heart. Love others, respect others, give your good deeds. I miss you so much, brother. May your soul rest in peace. Mrs. G. Sarala. A glowing smile on your face boosts us to be active, still unbelievable, but your poems are solidity. A great loss for CW Group. May your soul rest in peace. We will pray for your family. Mrs. Kalyani PR. Our Creative Writers Group member Mr. Gopinath chose the heavenly path, went leaving his wonderful family, but his writings speak about him firmly. Whenever he enters into the group as a critic, group became cheerful and energetic. His chats ending with G never equals any emoji. Excellent teacher of English with kind heart, he served well. How suddenly he perished. Your verses mesmerize us like honey drops. Your poems live for years with your amazing thoughts. Rest in peace, sir. Mrs. Jayanti. Oh God, you are also impressed by Gopi sir's luminous smile and took him near you? Why have you forgotten that the family and creative writers will miss him? But you have made his work enlight brightness, even the distant soul like me. May his soul rest in peace. Mrs. Brinda D. Your kind words, G, still ringing in my ears, which comes out of your heart sans fear. Such a noble soul are you. You are one among a few. Your gesture and smile attracts us all. It rises up many from any fall. Still waiting for your message and call. Please roll and come like a ball. Your benevolent nature, truly you are a good teacher. Taught us a lot of lessons to be simple and humble. You are a down-to-earth person. I adore your gesture every inch. Your broad-minded vision, none will have that nature. A child's heart you had. Miss you, dear. Can't forget your help in times of need. May your innocent soul rest in peace, G. Mrs. S. Tamarai Chelvi. Smiling eyes behind the specs, humble gestures, what so inspired and gracious. Simple words of appreciations and your unique slang, G. ever lingers all our minds. As a noble teacher and human being, your sudden demise was so cruel. Would be a great loss to your colleagues and students, unbearable hardship to your family members. My heartfelt condolences to the lamenting souls. You just be rest in the bow of God's shower. Mrs. B. Shireen. Where were you, Gopinath ji? In the deep sea or in the seventh sky? I wish your death was a lie. Were you in the air? Oh God, this was not fair. You didn't hear our plea. It was weighing heavy, Gopi ji. We couldn't believe your absence. Aching hearts cried in complete silence. Your journey with us was very short, but you stay ever in our heart. Your reviews with G, G, G are true. That sticks in our tongues too. You sponsored my prize for poetry competition. It becomes more valuable in your remembrance. Yours, Be a Child, and A Little Hope gave us confidence. Your innocence, light-hearted nature, rest in silence. I felt happy that you were back from your reply, but your death is God's play. Mrs. Alice P. God only can save from this corona wave. Why gone writer Gopi ji? How strong you ji? Our budding poets miss you ever ji. Our deepest condolences. God save family ji. Ever smiling face, excellent poet in race. Your sudden demise, can it be to revise? May this be fake, else rest in peace. Mrs. D. M. Dhanalakshmi. Humbleness is your self-identity, lovable soul and spiritual personality. Humorous man with helping tendency, always respect others' proficiency. Generous heart and wonderful dignitary, unable to digest your funerary. While chatting with you feels positive vibration, shedding tears for your sudden expiration. You gave us only one negative sense, that is your demise. Gigi sir always labels others as G. Mrs. Princelyn Joan Y. Where are you, my dear? I'm searching for you everywhere. You walked with me by my side. How suddenly you disappeared. Couldn't hear your sweet voice. Could not see your loving face. No traces of your friendly chats. You dissipated instantly like dreams. You are alive and you will live long in every brick of your school campus. Your words of fondness will exist in every heart of our creative writers. Your thoughts will ever survive in your great creations and reviews. Your spirit of service never fades. It dwells in the heartbeats of your students. You became one among the twinkling stars. G, we miss your ever-loving cordial talks. Mrs. R. Irilarasi. Dear Gopi ji, we miss you a lot. You are a great person, blessed with merciful heart. Especially encouraged the younger generation. How can a beloved person digest your separation? You looked majestic in the student police cadet uniform. For the welfare of the students, you laid a great platform, a good role model, dedicated teacher, and a nice gentleman. You are still alive in our hearts as an adorable true man. Mrs. Beulah. Dear loving GGG, our heartfelt condolences, G. Toiled during state election, member of the TNT Association. You innocently shed love, your loving students prove. How hastily you neared your doom, leaving us all in gloom. Like the motivational Gopinath sir, your encouraging reviews inspired. Great things we aspired. Won't you be back again? Why have you left us in pain? You are alive in the smiling faces of the dear students in different places. Why did you forget my plea? Why did you hurriedly flee? Quitting your loved ones in tears, why were you caught by fears? Oh, Corona, the death knell of my kith and kin, isn't there balm in Gilead? Oh, God Almighty, the Lord of hosts, when will you save the earth from the pandemic? We plead thee to relieve us from panic. Gopi sir, words aren't enough in this situation tough. For your family members' comfort, may consolation come from the God of all comfort. Mrs. Deepa B. All fondly call you as Gigi, as you call them as G. Adamant as a child, but mature enough to guide. You should have avoided unnecessary fear by taking care of yourself confidently. Your family and friends miss you badly. Either God or you chose a new unknown path of mystery. Anyhow, take care. I wish you a happy journey. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I sincerely believe our Gopinath sir will read all these things, and we really miss him so much. Nobody can occupy his place. Dear sir,